Hi, Ben here from Life Science Centre. I've been having quite a bit of fun playing with spinning objects. I made my very own spinning top just using a pencil, piece of card and some blue tack stuck on the bottom there. When I try and stand it up, it just falls over. But when I spin it, it manages to stay upright. Spinning objects behave differently to objects that don't spin. You may also notice that when I spin it, all of the colours merge together to be more of a white. Our eyes can only process things at a certain speed. So if I spin my spinning top faster, it all merges together. It's a bit like with this thaumatrope that I've made with just a couple of pieces of card and a pencil. On one side, I've got a rocket. On the other side, a moon and stars. And if I spin it faster than my eyes can process, they join together. Have fun making some creations that spin at home and tag us on social media @Science at Life.